Good afternoon. It is the afternoon, as I just said, and we had a really lazy day. So just come to pick up our 312 numbers, but my ribs, wherever it is, it's so painful. So I'm thinking positively, and it'll be fine. I'm sure it'll be fine. And if you remember my video from last year, I hope you can hear me, no mic obviously. But yeah, I said last year if I came and rode it this year, then I would allow myself to buy the really lovely jersey that I like, the 312 jersey, the orange and pink one. No, it's blue and pink. Anyway, I'll see if I've got any left. But I think I might treat myself to that because I love that jersey. So yeah, we're gonna head in, see what's going on, and yeah. We're gonna look. That's the route. I like these jerseys. You see me on it?
Yeah, it's recording.
Huh?
Yeah.
Oh, my top in it.
Yeah.
So I'm just trying on this year's jersey. It's actually a lot nicer than I saw in the pictures, so I've still got my eye on that other years though. I love that older colour, but this is so nice, it's so soft. Right, have a little wander around, have a look at the Giant and the lid stand. So obviously I'm doing mine on the lid bike, so in fact you probably not hear anything from mine, so adios. I'm back here again a year later, looking at the jerseys. Oh, got to find mine. I say mine. I need a small. Oh, that's it. That is it. I don't know. So yes, it's just been an eventful day. We've got our bib numbers, and now I'm at the pharmacy buying ibuprofen and paracetamol because I'm in pain. And I hate taking tablets, but I realise I have to take them to try and ease my back off. £8, they're like £4 each. Woo, that is expensive. But yeah, let's head back now. This is like, that's all of the riding I'm doing. It's a bit sore on the bike, so I'm gonna head back, get some food, and then we'll chat there, and then we'll maybe do some Q&A or something, or I don't know. I'll chat to you when I get back anyway. I will see you very soon. I am riding, but I'm in a little bit of pain. I don't know why it seems to get worse today. It wasn't as bad yesterday, but we'll see. And the weather is windy and it's cold. Oh, stop sign. I want it to be sunny and I want nice ribs. I want to be able to ride my bike without pain. I'm such a mad arse. In fact, I'm going to stop talking. Let's think of some nice, positive things. I'm with Richard. Hey! I've got a few days to recover, 2 more days. I've been able to buy tablets, so hopefully that will help. And it's going to be sunny tomorrow, so I can't really know. I can't, and even though I am. Carl, what's he doing? So we're currently at the villa. What is it? It's Villa Airbnb, and I'm sat. I've just been and bought a hot water bottle after I bought the ibuprofen and paracetamol to put on my back, and I've just been sat here with it on my back trying to ease it off. It has eased it quite a bit, and I'm just worried that I might not be able to do the 312, and I'm just gutted. I'm not thinking, trying to think really positively and think that I'll be okay, and I'm never going to push myself if I feel like it's too sore to ride. I'm not going to do that, but it did hurt earlier on, so still got another day's rest, so fingers crossed it should be okay, but I'll keep you updated. And now, like yesterday, following on from yesterday's little alfresco dining, I mean, we don't need cafes. I mean, look at this. We got chopped up Cliff Bar and some jam and a cup of tea. I mean, we are just living it up in Mallorca. Although, oopsie, fell. Although I did think that we'd be probably out riding bikes in mountains, but the weather is really windy. I'm sore, I'm in pain, and I actually feel really bad that excuse me, it hurts to cough. That I thought I'd be like showing you like loads more like fun rides, and all I'm doing is going to the pharmacy to buy paracetamol and a hot water bottle. So but I guess that's why I like sharing this with you, because I think maybe some of you think that I don't ever get injured, or well, I always share that when I do and I can't ride, so it's just frustrating, but I'll be fine. We'll be fine. So yeah, I'm going to tuck in now to this Cliff Bar and jam combo and cup of tea, and I will catch up with you in a little bit. Greetings from a future Katie. So I'm just editing the video now for yesterday, and I realised that in it I said, oh yeah, I was going to do like a Q&A, and I was going to do this, and I was going to do that. I didn't do any of it because I felt pretty sorry for myself, and I felt a little bit, it was just painful. Yesterday was the worst pain that I've had with that rib injury, I guess, and I just didn't feel like it. I just basically sat and iced it and put a hot water bottle on it and just did all that kind of stuff, and I just didn't end up picking up the camera again. So please forgive me. I'm still filming today's video, so loads more videos coming up, and I'm a little bit more happier today. So just wanted to apologise for that being a bit of an abrupt end to the video, but this is the end of the video, so I will see you tomorrow for more Mallorca riding, more Mallorca fun, and yeah, thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.